Our group will discuss about the aspect and tenses. But first, let us define what is a tense. Tense means time, and time can be the past, the present, and the future. So right now, let us discuss what is a past. Past used to describe the things that have already happened, and the present is used to describe the things that happening right now are continuous. And the future is used to describe the things that have yet to happen. But English have only two tenses, the past and the present. However, we can still talk about and learn about the future tense. We just don't do it by changing the verb forms as we do it with the past. Future tense by using auxiliary verbs will and shall, and by using going to and by several other means. Linguistics is a useful science. Because it is science, it needs numerous precise terms and enable each students to make fine distinction about the function of words in different languages. So right now guys, I think in your homes, you are intriguing right now of how many tenses does English have. The answer is, or the question is, how many tenses does English have? The answer is, it all depends upon whom you asked, what the meaning you attach to the grammatical term and tenses. So right now, guys, we will talk about the present tense. The present tense is indicated by the present three key forms of the verbs, the do, the be, and the have. So let us tackle these three, the do, the be, and the have. So with do, the present is indicated by do and does. With be, the present is indicated by is, are, and am. With have, the present is indicated by have and has. As we talk about the present tense, let's go with the third person singular wherein the he, she, and it is included. He and she and it use the verb forms ending in s. I discussed a while ago about the three key forms of the verbs do, be, and have, also with their indicated forms of the verb. Right now, let us go with the third person singular, he, she, it, using the word ending in s. For the word he, she, it does, he, she, it is, he, she, it has. The third form of the present tense verb be, which is are, is used for the plural person subjects you, we, and they. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural subject, and the pronoun are is used for both singular and plural you. For example, Richard, you are teaching us English. Subject is you, and Richard, we know Richard is singular. Remember guys, we do not use are with singular nouns. However, even though we do when we use a pronoun with the same subject. Example, Richard is teaching us English. Subject, Richard, is singular. Let us go with the past tense. Past tense is indicated by three key forms of the verbs, do, be, and have. With do, the past is indicated by did for all persons. With be, the past is indicated by was for the third person and were for all the persons. And have is indicated by the past had for all persons. As we understand, tense means time. Right now, let us go with the aspect and let us define it. My group mates will report about aspects. There are four kinds of aspect: the simple aspect, the continuous aspect, the perfect aspect, and the perfect continuous aspect. Things to remember: that aspects tells us something that is finished or ongoing.